or which is present above the soil, it is called as shoot system, or the parts of the plant which is present below the soil, it is called as root system. Here, and also I told that which are the parts that come under the shoot system and the parts which come under the root system. Well, after this, the topic that I have discussed is we are going to eat some parts of the plant. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೆಲವು parts of the plant ಅನ್ನು ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ತಿನ್ನಬಹುದು. So for that I have given so many examples about the different parts that we are going to eat. For example, I have given example about the leaves and roots, stem, even the flowers that we are going to eat. And also I told that there are some plants we can eat more than 2 parts. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನ ಕೆಲವು parts plants ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ more than 2 parts ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ತಿನ್ನಬಹುದು. So then after this I have discussed about some people used to eat the meat. So ಕೆಲವು peoples ಗಳು so they used to eat the meat ಕೂಡ ತಿಂತಾರೆ, right? Here if you just observe this table, so here I listed some of the animals and also the food habits of the animals. From this table we will come to clear that so ಏನು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಟೇಬಲ್ ನ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ different animals will have the different food habits. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ animals ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ರೀತಿಯಾದಂತ ಫುಡ್ಸ್ ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ animals will won't take the same kind of food ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ತಿನ್ನೋದಿಲ್ಲ. When students based upon the food habits, so food habits ನ ಬೇಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು the animals are grouped into or categorized into 3 groups ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತದ್ದು. So in the first group ಅಲ್ಲಿ in the first category ಅಲ್ಲಿ so we are grouped the animals which eat only plants. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ತಿನ್ನುವಂತ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ we have grouped the animals which eat only the flesh of other animals. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ನ ಫ್ಲೆಶ್ ನ ತಿನ್ನುವಂತ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ನ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ಸೊ in the last category, so last categoryಯಲ್ಲಿ so we have grouped the animals which eat both plant ನು ತಿನ್ನುವಂತದ್ದು as well as the flesh of the other animals ನು ತಿನ್ನುವಂತದ್ದು. So then which are those 3 categories of animal based on food habits ಮೇಲೆ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತ 3 categories ಯಾವುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ so here well you have studied in the lower classes ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. So the 3 categories are the first one is the herbivores, the second one is the carnivores and the last one is the omnivores. So these are the 3 categories of animals which is grouped under food habits. Here now we shall learn what is herbivores, carnivores and also the omnivores. First we shall learn the definition of herbivores and also we shall list out the examples of herbivores. Here what is herbivores? Here herbivores means the group of animals or the animals which eat only plants. ಅಂದ್ರೆ plants ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ತಿನ್ನುವಂತ animals ನ we have grouped under herbivores ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಸ್ಯಾಹಾರಿಗಳು ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. Now I am going to write the definition of herbivores. The group of animals, the group of animals which eat only plants, which eat only plants, they are called as herbivores. And then students you know that so there are so many animals which are going to eat the plants. So let us list out the example. So that is deer, next cow, goat, sheep, so etc. All these are animals which is going to eat only the plants na matra tinnuntaha animals. So next the second category animals so we call as carnivores. So what is carnivores? So carnivores means the group of animals which eat the flesh of other animals. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ animals ನ ತಿನ್ನುವಂತದ್ದು. So those animals are called as carnivores ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಅದನ್ನ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಮಾಂಸಾಹಾರಿಗಳು ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಕರೀಬಹುದು. Here I am going to write the definition. The group of animals, the group of animals which eat flesh of other animals, they are called as carnivores. Well, you know the other animals. Other animals flesh ತಿನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಗೊತ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ. So that is lion, tiger, next cheetah, etc. So these are the animals which is going to eat the flesh of other animals. Then which is the last category, that is omnivores. So here we shall learn what is the meaning of omnivores. Omnivores. Here omnivores means the group of animals which eat both plant as well as the flesh of other animals. Andre ee omnivorous animals even they are going to eat the plants nu kuda tinutte, and also they are going to eat the flesh of the other animals flesh nu kuda tinutte. So such group of animals na we call it as omnivores anta karitivi. So I am going to write the definition. The group of animals which eat both plant as well as the flesh of other animals. The flesh of other animals. So the example for omnivores are humans. The very best example for omnivores are humans. So humans we are going to eat the plant, and some of the human beings they eat both plant as well as the meat. Meat nu kuda tinnuvantadu irtade. So we can group humans in under omnivores, and also dog, crow, etc. So these are the animals which come under the omnivores, means which eat both plant as well as the flesh of other animals. Well student, after knowing about the three categories of animals based on food habits, so now I am going to tell a very simple activity. So with you can do that activity by yourself. What you have to do means make a 3 column. You have to make a 3 column. So in the 3 column, first you write down herbivores in the first column. So next carnivores in the second column, and omnivores in the third column. Here you can list out the animals that you have known. Andre plant eating animals annellarnu herbivorous column alli bariri. Next the flesh eating animals, very flesh tinnuvanta animals na you write it in the carnivores column alli bariri. And also the omnivores. Omnivores andre both flesh as well as the plant eating animals na you list out in the omnivores column, and you can do this simple activity by yourself. Well students, till now we have studied about what is the animal going to eat. So when from the day 1 class I am telling that the food is very important, because still there are so many people on the earth who are not getting food to eat. So we are very lucky that we are getting food to eat. So instead of don't waste the food, instead of wasting the food, so we have to produce more and more food so that each and everyone should get the food to eat. So well, with this statement I am going to complete the first chapter in science, that is where does it come from. Here after completing the first chapter, now I am going to, after completing the first chapter, now I am going to solve some exercise questions. So here I want you people to open page number 6. So in the page number 6 third line they have given match the items given in column A with that in the column B. They have given the match the following. So in the column A ಮಿಲ್ಕ್, ಕರ್ಡ್, ಪನ್ನೀರ್, ಘೀ. ಸೊ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾವ ತರ ಫುಡ್ ಐಟಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಆಲ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು? ಅನಿಮಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್. So the next, the second question what they have given, spinach, cauliflower, carrot. So spinach, cauliflower and carrot, idella eno? They are vegetables. So they are vegetables. Next, the third one, lion and tigers. So lion and tigers are eat other animals. Eat other animals. Next, the fourth one, herbivores. So herbivores antandre ಏನು? They eat plant and plant products. Eat plant and plant products. So ಇದು third line ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತ page number 6 in the third line they have given the match the following. So the match the following ಗೆ I have written the correct answers na ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾನು ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. So then after this you open page number 7. So in the fourth main ಅಲ್ಲಿ they have given the fill in the blanks na ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So now we shall answer the fill in the blanks ಗೆ answers na ಮಾಡೋಣ. So here first question what they have given, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ in the bracket ಅಲ್ಲಿ, like herbivore, plant, milk, sugarcane, carnivore. So they have given the words. So ಈ words ನ ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು we have to fill in the blanks. Here the first question, tiger is a dash because it eats only meat. So tiger ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು meat ಅನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತೆ. So which category, ಯಾವ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ tiger? So it come under carnivores because it is going to eat the flesh of other animals. So the next question, deer eats only plant products and so is called. So deer plants product ಅನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತೆ. So hence those animal which eat only the plant or plant products ಅನ್ನು ತಿನ್ನುವಂತದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? We call it as herbivores. Next, the third one, parrot eats only dash products. So parrots ಯಾವ ತರ products ಅನ್ನು ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತೆ? So it is going to eat the plant products. Then the fourth question, the dash that we drink which come from cows, buffaloes and goats is an animal product. So ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ animals ಇಂದ ಬರುವಂತದ್ದು, like cow, buffalo ಮತ್ತೆ goats ಇಂದ ಬರುವಂತದ್ದು. So ಇದು animal product ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ and even we are going to drink it. ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಕುಡಿತೀವಿ. So which one it is? It is a milk. And the last question, here we get sugar from, of course you know that we are going to get sugar from the sugar cane. So this is about the exercise question. So well, this is all about the first chapter. Well students, health is very important. So stay home, stay safe and stay healthy.